Hey everyone, Romel here, and today we're going to be taking a look at this microphone. This is the FIFINE Tank3. It's a dynamic microphone that has both USB-C and XLR connections. If you're just starting out, you can plug this microphone directly into your computer with the provided USB-C cable, or if you have an audio interface or audio recorder that you want to use, you can use XLR to plug this microphone directly into your existing setup as well. All of the audio that you're going to be hearing in this video is going to be recorded with this microphone unless otherwise stated. I'll probably have something here if I'm using a different microphone, especially in the sound tests. And FIFINE did send this microphone out for review. But as always, just because a company sends a product for review isn't going to change how I look at this product. I have reviewed a couple of the FIFINE microphones in the past, and they have always been really great microphones. And we'll see if this is the same for the Tank3. This microphone does retail for about $80 US, 120 Canadian, and I will have links in the description down below if you wanted to pick one up yourself. Those will be affiliate links from Amazon, and as always, if you do use those links, it does help out the channel. If you are going to pick up this microphone, keep in mind that it just comes with the microphone, so you will need a stand. For this, I am using this mic stand that I can use between both my setups, and it makes it a lot easier than an arm. I have my arm on my gaming setup. Anyways, let's get to the unboxing. The packaging itself is super simple. It's just a plain brown box, and inside the box you get the instruction manual / info sheet, a USB-C, USB-A cable that is quite long, and then you also get the microphone itself. It's well packaged and there isn't really anything else in the box. The microphone itself feels very, very sturdy. It's an all metal construction and it doesn't feel cheap at all. It definitely lives up to its Tank name. On the back of the microphone, you have the USB-C, XLR, and there is a 3.5mm headphone jack if you wanted to monitor your output. For monitoring your output, it does only work if you are using the USB-C cable. On the side of the microphone itself, there are two knobs, one that controls the audio gain and the other controls the output to the headphones. Again, this will only work if you're using the USB-C cable. If you're using XLR, these knobs don't work. And on the top of the microphone, there is a mute button, which you can quickly press to mute or unmute the mic. Again, this does only work when the USB-C cable is being used. It won't work if you're using the XLR cable and connected to an audio interface. The microphone also does come with a 3/8 and 5/8 adapter built into the connector here. So you can basically use any microphone arm or stand. It'll attach just fine. I am using the stand here, and like I said, it's easy for me to use it between this kind of setup and then my setup behind me. Like I mentioned in the intro, since this is USB-C and XLR, you can use this mic several different ways. You can plug it in directly to a Mac or a Windows PC and it'll just work right out of the box. You can also plug this into a PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4. I didn't get a chance to test that. My PS5 isn't readily accessible right now, but maybe in the future I'll do a quick test to see how this works with the PlayStation 5. And with the XLR cable, you can use this with an audio interface or an audio recorder. And like I said, I am using the Zoom H4N Pro and I'm using an XLR cable connected to that, since that's how I typically use my audio setup. And I do like how you have both of these options, especially if you're just getting started with your audio setup. You don't want to commit to an audio interface and go all out with your audio setup. You can use this connected directly to your PC or your Mac and use the USB-C cable that's provided. And then when you're ready, you can upgrade and get an audio interface, and then you can run this microphone into the audio interface without having to get a new mic. So you get the benefits of a dynamic microphone and an audio interface without having to make an upgrade if you wanted to get an audio interface. I didn't have any issues when connecting this to either my Mac or my Windows PC. You have been listening to this microphone for the entirety of the video so far, but let's get to a couple sound tests. I'll try to read the same thing with several different microphones and configurations. First, I'll start with the Tank 3 connected to my audio recorder, and then I'll have it connected to my Mac with the USB cable, and then I'll test it with a couple other microphones so you guys can hear the sound difference between the two. I'll read some of my daughter's favorite songs right now. This is the Tank 3 connected to the Zoom H4N Pro. Fever dream high in the quiet of the night, you know that I caught it. Oh yeah, you're right, I want it. Bad boy, shiny toy with a price, you know that I bought it. Oh yeah, you're right, I want it. Killing me slow, out the window, I'm always waiting for you to be waiting below. Devils roll the dice, angels roll their eyes, what doesn't kill me makes me want you more. And it's new, the shape of your body, it's blue, the feeling I've got, and it's oh, whoa, oh, it's a cruel summer. I stay out too late, got nothing in my brain, that's what people say, that's what people say, I go on too many dates, but I can't make them stay. At least that's what people say. That's what people say. And then for a plosives test, apata, 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 kissy face, sent to your phone, but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on. Yeah. Come give me something. I can feel. Oh.
Since the cable is pretty long, I just connect this directly to my Mac. Kind of the same setup. And as you can see, the button lights up now that it's connected via USB-C. And if I press this button, it's going to mute. And then it's green when it's not muted. And I'm just going to do the same set of lyrics so you guys can hear what it sounds like in comparison to a audio recorder. Fever dream high in the quiet of the night, you know that I caught it. Oh yeah, you're right, I want it. Bad boy, shiny toy with a price, you know that I bought it. Oh yeah, you're right, I want it. Killing me slow, out the window, I'm always waiting for you to be waiting below. Devils roll the dice, angels roll their eyes, what doesn't kill me makes me want you more. And it's new, the shape of your body, it's blue, the feeling I've got, and it's oh, whoa, it's a cruel summer. I stay out too late, got nothing in my brain, that's what people say, that's what people say, I go on too many dates, but I can't make them stay. At least that's what people say. That's what people say. And for the plosives test, apata, 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 Kissy face, the noise rejection, this should be the same for both of them. It is a cardioid pickup pattern, so it'll do well picking up directly in front of the microphone. So this one is my typical audio setup. I have the Sennheiser MKE 600, and we're gonna see what this sounds like compared to the Zoom H4N Pro. We're gonna read the same thing. Fever dream high in the quiet of the night, you know that I caught it. Oh yeah, you're right, I want it. Bad boy, shiny toy with a price, you know that I bought it. Oh yeah, you're right, I want it. I stay out too late, got nothing in my brain, that's what people say, that's what people say, And for the plosives test, apata, 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 Kissy face, sent to your phone,
but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Red hearts, red hearts. That's what I'm on. Yeah. Come give me something I can feel. Oh, oh. If you're looking for a microphone to upgrade your gaming setup to use for streaming, podcasting, just general better audio, the Tank 3 is a really great option. As you've heard in this video, it sounds really good for the price, especially because you have the upgrade path as well. You can start out with the USB-C, see how that is, and then make your way on to a audio interface if you wanted to upgrade with a better audio setup. But honestly, I feel like the microphone does sound pretty good just on its own, especially connected directly to your computer. It sounds great. And I'm definitely going to do a couple more videos just with this. And maybe I'll even try doing a podcast with this setup to see what a full flow would be like using this microphone. Again, if you are going to pick this microphone up, remember that you will need a microphone arm or stand to make sure that you have something to prop this microphone on. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section down below. Always happy to take in feedback and see what you guys have to say. If you want to see more microphone setups, let me know as well, and I can try and review more mics. I've been pretty happy with my general setup so far, but I'm always happy to test out more. I will have more videos out in the near future. I know they're far and few between, but I promise I will have a couple more. I've just been trying to get my ducks in a row, but hopefully going into the next year, I keep up this momentum. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.